These are gas charged shocks. When you buy them brand new, they come compressed and they come with a band that is holding them compressed. Once they have expanded like this used one, which we're going to put back on because it was so in such good shape when we cleaned it up nicely, you have to pre-compress these because you will never fight to get these on the truck without doing that. So a simple method of doing that is get out your good old farmer's baling wire and give a good secure wrap at one end. Now we're going to use my little body weight here and compress this. You'll see it going down. There she is. Now she's nice and tight. Oops. Hopefully you can see this. And now it's going to be a few wraps. Believe it or not, a lot of the time when you do this, the shock will pull this wrap apart. So you do have to crank that wrap on nice and tight. So, one done, 3 more to go.